Who doesn't love carrot halwa? That too when it is served hot, loaded with lots of nuts and ghee. So let's see how to prepare yummy carrot halwa. This is Arya and welcome back to our channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then quickly subscribe and let's get into the video. Trust me, carrot halwa is one of the easiest recipes if you have grated carrot with you. We've grated half a kilo of carrot, which comes up to 2 cups. Let's get started with the process. Turn on the flame of the stove and put a pan on it. Add 3 spoons of ghee and let it heat. Whenever you're preparing a dessert, do not add all the ghee at the beginning itself. Instead, make sure you add it continually throughout the process so that it enhances the flavor and the taste of the dessert. Once the ghee is heated, add some cashew nuts to it and fry them for about 5 minutes. By the way, let me introduce you to the master chef of our home, my cute little brother who is the one preparing carrot halwa today. I've been requesting him since ages and I could finally convince him to prepare this dish. Trust me, he has magic in his hands, and whatever the dish he commits to prepare, that will be an awesome one, no matter what. He has different signature dishes, out of which my favorite is mutton curry. Comment and let me know if you guys would like to know about that mutton curry so that I could show him the comment section and then request him again to do that on camera. Once the cashew nuts are fried, take them into a separate plate. Now add the grated carrot to the ghee and saute it well. I think most of you guys might be knowing how to grate a carrot already, but still let me tell you. Do not grate carrot vertically. If you do so, it will give you just smaller strips of carrot, which when mixed with milk later on, it will just turn into a paste and you don't get the feel of chewed carrot. Instead, put it horizontally and then grate it. That way you'll get longer strips just like shown here. And later on when it is mixed with the milk also, it doesn't turn into a paste. You can still feel the texture of carrot. While eating it, you can still chew the carrot and you can feel it. Which won't be the case with smaller strips when it is grated vertically. Try to saute or fry the carrot properly before adding milk, because this is where the whole difference in taste comes. Don't be in a hurry to move to the next step of adding milk. Instead, fry the carrot properly so that the raw smell of carrot is gone. Otherwise, when you are eating the carrot halwa, you will be getting that raw smell which is not that great. Like I told to add ghee occasionally, we are adding 1 more spoon of ghee now and carrot is roasted well in it. When carrot is fried in ghee, the fragrance that comes is like super great. Once the carrot is fried properly, add 1 cup of full cream boiled milk and 1 cup of fresh milk. Make sure to add full cream milk so that the malai in the milk enhances the taste of carrot halwa. Mix it properly and close it with a lid. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now mix it properly. Close it with a lid and let it cook for about 5 more minutes. Once the carrot is cooked properly in milk, add 2 cups of sugar to it. Let it cook properly and keep stirring it for about 5 minutes. Add 1 more spoon of ghee and mix it well. If you are concerned about your diet, then you can reduce the amount of ghee. But before that, let me tell you one thing. Ghee is important for your skin. It brightens and hydrates your skin. And also, ghee slows down the process of skin aging. Moreover, celebrities who are on diet also prefer ghee to oil. So all I'm trying to tell you is ghee is important and good for your health and skin. Finally, add some cashew nuts to it and mix it well. When you see ghee released at the sides of the pan, it's time to turn off the flame. Carrot halwa is now ready, so transfer it into a serving bowl and enjoy your dessert. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment and let me know the other dishes you want me to film a video on. If you like my work, then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it because only then you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Catch me on another video. Until then, stay safe and keep cooking with me, Arya.